Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your Z Fold 4 is updated and multi-window is enabled in Settings display. Once done, check which apps support split screen. Many will, but some won't. If an app is missing, add it via the Edge panel using App Pair to launch two apps together. You do this now so the rest of the steps work reliably. Make sure you have at least two commonly used apps ready for the demonstration. You'll open the first app, swipe up to Recent, then tap its icon and choose Open in split screen. This pins it to the top. Next, bring the second app from the Edge panel or Recent into the bottom pane and release. Once both are open, drag the divider to resize or tap the middle handle to swap apps quickly. If you need a floating third app, drag it into pop-up view. This is useful when you want quick reference without leaving split mode. To finish, set an app pair on your Edge panel for one-tap dual launches and learn the gesture to maximize or close panes for efficient switching. If the multi-window experience stutters, force close the apps and reboot the device. That clears temporary issues. If a specific app won't split, clear its cache or reinstall it and confirm it has required permissions. Some apps block split screen by design. If problems persist, try creating a new app pair or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.